Sally Metcalfe is a fictional character from the British ITV soap opera, Coronation Street, portrayed by Sally Dynevor. The character first appeared on screen during the episode airing on 27 January 1986, when Kevin Webster drove past her in his van and accidentally splashed her while she was waiting for a bus. Her notable storylines have seen her have an on and off relationship and marriage with Kevin, becoming the victim of domestic violence by Greg Kelly, being diagnosed with breast cancer, as well as her attempts to become the pillar of the community and annoy Janice Battersby in the process. During her time on the soap, she has also tried to impress her bosses Bette Lynch, Alf Roberts, Mike Baldwin, Paul Connor and Carla Connor and gain promotions. Sally also embarks on a relationship with Tim Metcalfe and goes on to marry him, survives a minibus crash, begins a political career on the local council, and later progresses to become the mayor, becomes the victim of an internet troll, is wrongfully imprisoned for fraud, and is injured when the roof collapses at the factory. Out in the van, Kevin goes through a puddle and splashes pedestrian Sally Seddon. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.